Okay, quick question. Have you ever thought someone said yes, but later realized it was never a yes?
All the time. That's American planning in one sentence.
Right? Because Americans don't always say no.
They soft know you.
Let's start with a phrase people misunderstand a lot.
I'll let you know.
On paper, it sounds neutral.
In real life, it usually means probably not.
Not always no.
But definitely not yes.
If an American really wants to go, they'll say it.
Yeah, they'll say something clear like,
That's a yes.
a relaxed yes.
It means, I like the idea and I'm planning on it.
Not excited, but committed.
Compare this. Hey, we're grabbing coffee Saturday. Want to join?
Yeah, I'm down for that.
That's basically a yes.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
That's a soft maybe.
And sometimes a polite no.
Because saying no feels awkward.
They don't want conflict,
They want to keep things friendly.
so they stay vague,
Another soft commitment.
meaning don't count on me.
In American English, maybe leans no.
Unless followed by a plan.
Like, maybe, yeah, actually, Saturday works.
That turns it into a yes.
This one confuses people.
It sounds official, but it's not final.
It means we're tentatively planning this.
Still flexible.
Should we hang out Friday night?
Yeah, let's pencil it in.
So, not guaranteed.
Exactly. No promises yet.
Okay, now the big one. Canceling.
Americans cancel politely.
This is the most common excuse.
And nobody asks what.
That's important.
Details are not expected. Hey, I'm really sorry. Something came up. Can we reschedule?
Yeah, no worries at all.
That's it.
No explanation needed.
Very American phrase.
Polite cancellation plus future intention.
It means not now, maybe later.
Not a promise.
Mistake number 1, over-explaining.
Like giving a full life story.
Americans don't expect that.
Short and kind works best.
So basically, my cousin called and then my boss texted and,
Too much.
hey, I'm sorry, something came up. Can we do another time?
Perfect.
If someone says, I'll let you know,
Don't chase them.
say something light.
Like?
Sounds good, just keep me posted.
Very American.
If they never follow up,
That was your answer.
and that's okay.
It's not personal.
American planning is flexible.
Words are soft.
Yes isn't always yes.
And no is rarely direct.
If it's important, confirm.
If it's vague, don't assume.
I'll let you know.
Translation, maybe, maybe not.
And honestly, once you understand that, American plans start making way more sense.
Yeah, because the mistake people make is taking words too literally.
Exactly. In American English, tone and certainty matter more than words.
Like, here's a quick test.
If someone says yes but doesn't mention a time,
That's not a plan.
that's just a vibe.
A friendly vibe, nothing more.
Real plans have details.
Day, time, place.
So if someone says, yeah, that sounds fun sometime,
That's not commitment.
that's social politeness.
Huge difference. Hey, we should grab dinner this week.
Yeah, that could be fun.
Notice, no follow-up question.
Know when, know where.
So emotionally, that's unfinished.
Now listen to this version.
Hey, want to grab dinner this week?
Yeah, I'm down. Thursday or Friday.
That's intent.
That's effort,
Americans show commitment through specifics.
not enthusiasm. Here's the uncomfortable truth.
Most people already know their answer.
I'll let you know buys time.
Time to avoid awkwardness.
Time to see if a better option appears.
Yep, that's real.
And that's not rude in American culture.
It's normal.
So what do you do if someone says, I'll let you know?
You give them space.
But you can follow up once.
Once is key.
Something light like,
Hey, just checking in about Friday.
No pressure.
No guilt.
If they still don't respond,
You move on.
silence is also communication.
Very American lesson.
This happens in offices too.
All the time.
Your manager says, "Yeah, let's touch base on that."
That's not a meeting.
It's a placeholder.
You wait until it's scheduled.
Same with, "Let's circle back on that."
No date means no action yet. So, should I send the report today?
Yeah, let's circle back on that.
Meaning not now.
And maybe never.
Possibly.
When Americans cancel, tone matters more than reason.
Sound warm, not defensive.
Compare these.
Okay?
Can't make it.
That feels rude.
American style. Hey, I'm really sorry. Something came up. Can we reschedule?
Perfect.
Even if you never reschedule.
The intention is polite.
Here's the rule nobody tells you.
Plans are flexible until they're happening.
Once you're already there,
Then it's real.
before that,
Everything is tentative.
that's why Americans don't feel betrayed by cancellations.
Unless it happens every time.
So yeah, American plans aren't fake.
They're just soft.
Listen for clarity.
Watch for details.
And remember,
I'll let you know.
isn't rude.
It's just American.
And honestly, once you stop taking it personally, things feel way lighter.
Yeah, because a lot of people think, did I do something wrong?
Most of the time, no.
It's just timing or energy or priorities.
Or they're tired.
Or they just don't feel like going out, and that's okay here.
Here's something subtle Americans do.
They protect their energy.
So even if something sounds fun,
They'll still leave room to back out.
that's why plans stay soft until the last moment.
Exactly. Hey, are we still on for tonight?
Yeah, I should be able to make it.
That phrase right there.
Should be able to.
That's not 100%.
That's 70%.
And Americans are okay with that uncertainty.
Very okay. This is another big one.
Huge.
It means mood matters.
Mental state matters.
Not rude, not lazy.
Just honest in a soft way.
So if someone says, "I'll see how I'm feeling,"
You don't pressure them.
you say something like, "No worries at all."
That response actually builds trust because you respected their space.
Here's where things go wrong.
They push for certainty too fast.
Like, so is that a yes or no?
That feels intense in American culture.
Even if it's logical.
Emotionally, it feels pushy.
So are you coming or not?
That creates pressure.
American chill version. All good either way, just let me know.
Much better.
Americans value being easygoing,
Very underrated trait.
flexible, low pressure, understanding.
Those people get invited more because they feel safe to cancel on.
And safe to say yes to. Here's the moment plans turn solid.
When someone starts getting ready.
Texts like, "Leaving in 10.
I'm on my way.
Now it's locked in.
Before that, still flexible.
When canceling, Americans almost always say sorry.
Even if it's not their fault.
"I'm sorry, I can't make it."
That's politeness, not guilt.
You're apologizing for the inconvenience.
You're not apologizing for existing. Hey, I'm really sorry. I'm wiped out today. Can we take a rain check?
Yeah, totally. No worries.
Notice how smooth that was?
No tension. American English is indirect.
But consistent.
Clear words plus clear follow-up equals yes.
Vague words plus no follow-up equals no.
That's it.
That's the code.
So if someone says,
I'll let you know.
smile,
Give space.
and don't overthink it.
Because now you get it.
It's not rejection.
It's just how plans work here.